Marketa Vondrausova, who won Wimbledon last year, has announced that she is in the process of divorcing her husband, Stepan Simic, who has already moved out with her cat. Reigning Wimbledon champ Marketa Vondrausova reveals the pain of looming divorce, and her husband's taken their cat. The 24-year-old tennis star is in the process of divorcing former junior tennis player Stepan Simic less than a year after their wedding and his cheer on her historic victory over Ons Jabeur on center court. The couple, who began dating when they were teenagers in 2016, endured a whirlwind romance which saw them engaged for just under a year before their summer nuptials last July. Their relationship accelerated to an engagement shortly after Vondrausova bagged a silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics in August 2021. However, their marriage took a turn for the worse, with Simic leaving and taking with him Vondrausova's treasured Sphinx cat, Frankie. An upset Vondrausova told Czech media outlet Blesk, "I am definitely not having a happy time in the last few weeks. My marriage with Stepan ended a few weeks ago, we broke up. He moved out with the cat." Vondrausova opened up about her personal life, adding, "It just didn't work out for us. It wasn't what we both imagined, so we agreed not to be together anymore. Now we are formally resolving the divorce, but we have agreed on everything." The world number 7 spoke fondly of her soon-to-be ex-husband's support during a critical moment at Wimbledon, saying, "I actually didn't see my coach. I was alone in the waiting room. I chatted a bit with my husband. We talked on the phone. He just said, 'Try to fight, you are playing good, you are playing a great match.' That was it. I think the break helped actually. It was good." Just a month after an early exit from the Indian Wells Open, she traveled to be by her ailing grandfather's side. She had rushed home to be with him as he battled cancer, and he passed away shortly after her return. Reflecting on her grandfather's influence, Vondrausova expressed her gratitude. "I learned in America that he was no longer well, so I definitely wanted to see him again and say goodbye. I am very glad that I flew and that I made it. He still perceived that we were together.